Clean his abdomen with a hot towel. Measure his waistline before treatment and take a photo. To massage his abdomen to relax skin, drainage channels and collaterals, and accelerate blood circulation, which lasts 10 to 15 minutes. Rub essential oil into your hands and move circle-wise on the abdomen with them. Repeat 3 times. Rub the belly back and forth with your hands. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Lift the Dynamite GB20 located at the waist 2 sides with your hands doing alternately. Repeat 16 times. Rub the intestinal tract with your overlapped hands, drawing small circles clockwise. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Along the ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon. Push till the rectum with your hands doing it by turn. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Caress the treated part with your hands moving circle-wise. Repeat 3 times. Push from Zhongji RN3 to the belly button with your thumbs. Slide to the part below the waist along the waist 2 sides, and lift to the groin. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Measure grease cup to accelerate blood circulation and facilitate detox. Parameters setting. Advised operating time is 10 to 15 minutes. Suction can be adjusted per individual tolerance. Suction time is 0.4 to 1.5 seconds. Release time is 0 to 1.0 seconds. Suction time should be longer than release time or select M2. Select a proper cup. Lift it from the waist side to the belly button. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Lift the other side. Draw small circles around the belly button. Repeat 16 times. Draw big circles around the belly button. Repeat 16 times. Lift it from the waist side to the belly button. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Sculpt up and down on the waist. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Lift the Dynamite GB26 located at the waist 2 sides with the cup and the hand. Repeat 16 times. Fix the cupping with vacuum cups. Choose M1. Suction time is 0.4 to 1.5 seconds. Release time is 0. Suction can be adjusted for a client's tolerance. Select the suitable vacuum cups and place them on 下丸 RN10, 天书 SG25, 大恒 SP15, and 光源 RN4, and leave them there for about 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the cups and clean the part with the towel. EMS pads. Parameters setting. Suggested energy level is 2 to 5, which can be increased from low to high. The pass radius is 50 to 300 muses. Suggested pass time is 2 to 50 seconds. Recommended pulse time is 0.2 to 5.0 seconds. Recommended frequency is 50 to 300 each day. Advised operating time is 20 to 30 minutes. Apply gel evenly to EMS pads. Fasten the pads onto a faulty part with a strap. Press start. They make muscles use exercise passively to relax them to achieve tightening and shaping. Remove the strap and pads after treatment. Clean the treated part. Remeasure the waistline after treatment and take a photo. Contrast the photos. 1 to 2 times a week. A treatment takes 60 to 75 minutes. 12 times is 1 course of treatment. Contraindications: women in pregnancy or breastfeeding, with heart disease or a heart pacemaker, with unhealed surgical wounds or in surgical recovery, with epilepsy, severe diabetes, hypothyroidism, malignant tumors, etc. Those with skin disease or infectious disease should use it with caution.